Hello people, I'm back with Super Mario Bros. Crossover. And then Phantom Dragon 13 is not pleased. No, he is not. He is right. Oh yeah, I forgot I could get that thing. Wait a minute, I already had it, so no point in getting it again, but I got better. Yay for me. Whoa! People, if you want to know what just happened there, I don't even really know. The screen walked out on me for a second. Okay, I'm getting close to Bowser. Again, the jump really lags sometimes. And sometimes I can get my ass killed. Example? This one. Yep. Yep. I'm gonna try this game with the other characters, but I probably won't record it. But I will record doing it with Ryu. Why? Because Ryu is my favorite of these characters. Why is he my favorite? He's Ryu. I just like the Ninja Gaiden series altogether. Especially Sigma 2. I really like Sigma 2. I played the demo for Sigma 2 and I fell in love with Ninja Gaiden Sigma 2. I also like Tekken 6. I just wanted to fight. I just like the art. But I only like the arcade game. Why? Because I like fighting. Why? Because I like fighting. Oh yes, by the way, level up. Why not just do this? Then again, there's no enemies in here for me to shoot. Only blocks. And even then, there aren't that many blocks. And Bowser. Yep. Yep. Ah! Bowser candy. You. Bowser, you are an asshole. Bowser's an ass. Yes! Victory is mine! You're welcome. I really hate you. Please tell me you changed this at the end so that you can, whatever character you are, you can kill Toad. Please. And if you make if you do, make a sequel to the oh no. It's this asshole. I'm not fast enough to outrun these motherfuckers. Yeah. This is Nintendo broken. I don't think anybody expected Super Mario Bros. Crossover to ever come out. I never knew it existed. At least I'm at the beginning of the world, so if I die, it won't really matter. So if I get a game over, it won't really matter. Oh man, now I want to get another game over so I can say that. Like, say that. Let's go again! Jump. Jump, you friggin' moron. No pipe? No pipe. I shot him. I shot him in the face. How did that not kill him? Yeah, stay away from me. Yeah, session with Spiny! Are they called Spiny? Are they called... I don't know what the heck they're called, but I'm getting away from them. Yeah, you jerk. I gotta jump on that. Oh god! I'm not dying here. Yep, as I thought I only have this. What's this do? But this allows me to get back up, so I don't have to pay crushing it. Yay! 4-1 done. That's on the world too. Please, not the another. No, on the world another. Yes! I love this world. Thank you, Lord, I've made it through the water level. Laggy jumps. I'll probably stop in the middle of here though. I'll stop now. Ball in the head. Well, I'm the Phantom Dragon 13 and bye.